Biglang nabali yung NPA.
Is using U.S. tax dollars to bomb peasants
Ang tapang mo sa ano, sa rally.
people in the middle of a drought. We demand an end to U.S. support for
Tapos ngayon,
May tao. Tayo. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal. What's your surname?
hindi na makasigaw.
What's your full name? Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us.
Alam din nila na ano, no, nag-i-English yung mga ano. NPA.
Careful.
Kasi nag-i-English din yung kasi yung nag-rescue. Yung mga sundalo.
Bigyan niyo ng pagkain.
Tubig na.
Grabe sa
You eat?
pagka-brainwash.
You just wear that. Kainin. You eat first. Chantal, you eat. Yung isang squad mag-scour.
Mangayat sa bundok.
Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, ano pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Meron naman lang doon, dito lang banda.
Ah.
Dito lang kami dyan. Ha? Umakit ka na.
Doon, nakuhan ko na din.
Doon banda, pinagdama na din.
Ba't ka napunta dito, Chantal? Why did you come here?
Ang gulit mo?
He's a what? Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose? Ha? His family? If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
Gusto nang
You tell us the truth.
ayan, nagsap.
We're trying to help you, so you better tell us the truth, okay? Why did you come here?
Lakas ng sigaw kanina.
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
Hindi ko. Ngayon, pastor. Ang nakaswang siya.
Okay, it's okay. You eat first, you eat. So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So, when did you go here? December 31st? December 31st? You ran away from him?
December 31st.
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning when we got to a fight. I thought I could walk away, but I got lost. I got lost here.
Buti binigyan ka pa ng tubig at pagkain.
Nawala.
Do you have
Nawala
cell phone
daw siya.
in you?
Wala na. Naitago na.
Ito, lagayan mo siya nakuha doon.
Sama na po yun.
Doon sa kanya, butas na.
You have your cell phone with you?
cellphone?
I-check niyo daw.
Wala, doon sa itahan. Do you have a cellphone?
Ayun ako. Ba't ba kasi kayo nagpapano dyan? Pwede na lang kaya huliin yung pinaka-leader niyan. para wala nang kabatang mapunta yan sa kabundukan na yan. Diba?